steady shade of amber beneath the heavy lid of a lowering sky. 2,000,000 tons of iron start to clamber while the red tail lights bleed into the eye. I am the captive of a concrete valley, watching the vapor rise from a silver hood, waiting for a break in the metal alley to move a single inch if I only could. A metronome is keeping time with the stalling, measuring the patience I have left to lose. Outside the glass, the evening rain is falling in shadows cast by dark and tired hues. The radiator hums a low vibration, a lonely song of friction and of heat. The city breathes in fits of frustration upon the surface of this asphalt street. Ticking the world remains exactly where it stood. Talking, the gasoline is burning in the vein, moving through the veins of the neighborhood, marking out the minutes in a steady rain. A rhythmic pulse against the silence still, counting down the motion that will never come, waiting for the gray clouds to start clearing, beating on the dashboard like a hollow drum. The license plate ahead is blurred and peeling, a testament to miles that have come before. I stare until I lose the sense of feeling and listen to the grinding of a heavy door. The rearview mirror holds 1,000 faces, all standing to a glare of the rainy glass, locked inside their small and private spaces, watching for the moment they are allowed to pass. The yellow light is blinking on the casing, a steady beat of metal on a plastic spring. There is no use in hurrying or chasing the steady pace that heavy borders bring. I find the cadence in the slow persistence of a steady knock that opens up the afternoon, measuring the span of my own existence by the flickering of a mechanical tune. Ticking the world remains exactly where it stood. Talking, the gasoline is burning in the vein, moving through the lanes of the neighborhood, marking out the minutes in a steady way. A rhythmic pulse against the silent stain, counting down the motion that will never come, waiting for the gray cloud to start clearing, beating on the dashboard like a hollow drum.